No flour and no oven, an easy recipe with cabbage. To begin, let's cut half a cabbage. We'll move it to a bowl. Cover with hot water. And leave it resting. In another bowl, we'll put 4 eggs, two tablespoons of heavy cream, and salt. Let's mix. In a pan, let's melt some butter. Put the cabbage and pour the eggs. Let's add grated mozzarella, and cover the pan until the cheese melts. Then we'll turn it over. Let's add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, more grated mozzarella, and spicy sausage. We'll cover the pan again. And our delicious recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!